Hello and welcome back. My name is Anna. I am your English teacher.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
This is Lesson 3, Easy English for Beginners.
We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can understand.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel. And you get more easy English lessons.
Great. Now, Lesson 3.
Mark, let's do a small review. Mark, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Good. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Nice. Listener, answer 2. How old are you? Say, I am years old.
Say it out loud.
Good. Now, new things. Today we learn colors, clothes, weather, and feelings.
Colors, clothes, weather, feelings. Many useful words.
First, colors. Listen to the words. Red,
Bread,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
black,
black,
white,
white,
brown,
brown,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
gray.
gray.
Good. Listener, say the colors with us. Red, blue, green, yellow,
Black, white, brown, orange.
pink, gray.
Great.
Now we put colors with objects. A red book.
A red book.
A blue pen.
A blue pen.
A green bag.
A green bag.
A black phone.
A black phone.
A white chair.
A white chair.
Listener, repeat one sentence. Say, a red book.
A red book.
Now say, a blue pen.
A blue pen.
Very good. Now I ask, what color is the book?
It is red.
What color is the pen?
It is blue.
Listener, your turn. What color is the chair? Say, it is white. Good. What color is the phone? Say, it is black. Nice. Now, clothes. Clothes are what we wear. Listen. Shirt, shirt. T-shirt,
T-shirt,
pants,
pants,
dress,
dress,
skirt,
skirt,
shoes,
shoes,
jacket,
jacket,
coat,
coat,
hat.
hat.
Listener, repeat say them with us. Shirt,
T-shirt,
pants,
dress,
skirt, shoes, jacket,
coat,
hat.
hat.
Very good. Now, clothes plus colors. A blue shirt,
A blue shirt,
a red T-shirt,
a red T-shirt,
black pants,
black pants,
white shoes,
white shoes,
a green jacket,
a green jacket,
a brown hat.
a brown hat.
Listener, repeat 2 of them. Say, a blue shirt.
A blue shirt,
Say, white shoes.
white shoes.
Great. Now I ask Mark questions. Mark, what are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue t-shirt. I am wearing black pants.
Good. Listener, your turn. Look at your clothes. Say 2 sentences. I am wearing a, and I am wearing. For example, I am wearing a black t-shirt. I am wearing blue jeans.
Say it now.
Excellent. Now, weather. Weather is sun, rain, cold, hot. Listen to these words. Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
windy,
windy,
hot,
hot,
cold,
cold.
good. Now the question. What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today?
We answer, it is sunny. It is rainy. It is cold.
Okay, let's practice.
Mark, what is the weather like today?
It is sunny.
And in winter? What is the weather like in winter?
It is cold and cloudy.
Listener, answer 2. Look outside if you can. What is the weather like today? Say, it is.
It is hot. Or it is rainy. Or it is windy.
Very good. Now, feelings. Feelings are how we feel inside. Listen. Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
tired,
tired,
hungry,
hungry,
thirsty,
thirsty,
cold,
cold,
hot,
hot.
good. The question is, how are you?
How are you?
We answer, I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry.
Let's practice.
Mark, how are you today?
I am happy.
How are you in the morning?
I am tired in the morning.
How are you before lunch?
I am hungry before lunch.
Now we mix everything. Mark, when it is cold, what do you wear?
When it is cold, I wear a jacket. I wear a coat and shoes.
How do you feel?
I feel cold.
When it is hot, what do you wear?
When it is hot, I wear a t-shirt. I wear shorts and light clothes.
How do you feel?
I feel hot and thirsty.
Good. Listener, now you try. Think of a cold day. Say, it is cold. I wear a. Then say how you feel. I feel.
For example, it is cold. I wear a black coat. I feel cold and tired.
Now, say your own sentence. Nice. Now, think of a sunny day. Say, it is sunny. I wear a. Then, I feel.
For example, it is sunny. I wear a white t-shirt. I feel happy.
Very good. Let's review, Mark. Colors.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown, orange, pink, Gray.
Clothes.
Shirt, t-shirt, pants, dress, skirt, shoes, jacket, coat, hat. Weather. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, cold.
Feelings.
Happy, sad, tired, hungry, thirsty, cold, hot.
Questions we used.
What color is the? What is the weather like today?
How are you?
What are you wearing?
Listener, you did great work. You know many new words now.
You can listen again. You can pause. You can repeat with us.
And please subscribe to this channel. Then you can get lesson 4.
Yes, subscribe and like the video.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a very good job.
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.